What would you do if one of your house, your identity, and your liberty were all stripped away from you? For people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, this is not a hypothetical scenario. It is their painful reality. Since 1990, this day of the 5th February has served as a reminder of the struggles faced by the Kashmiris under Indian occupation. However, the significance of this day should not remain symbolic alone. It is the time for the Pakistan to shift its focus on Kashmir Solidarity Day towards concrete actions that align with international law and human rights principles. The Kashmir dispute dates back to 1947 when the Hindu Maharaja's decision created a conflict over the territory of Jammu and Kashmir, where the majority of the population is Muslim. In April 1948, UNSC adopted Resolution number 47, which called for a plebiscite to give the people of Kashmir the right to choose their future. But for the reason best known to the world powers of the time, this resolution is still a work in progress. Therefore, the future of Kashmiris is unknown. For decades, many people have been killed by Indian troops, and many families have been divided, and generations have been raised with violence. Challenges such as curfews, arbitrary detentions, and an official military enforced violence have put the Kashmiris in a state of dystopian, constant trauma. This fearful legacy came under severe stress in August 2019 when the Indian government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi nullified Article 370 of Indian Constitution. Although this article had given Jammu and Kashmir a special status with more powers to manage its internal affairs, the abrogation of Article 370 was followed by an insidious reaction in the territory that included a total shutdown of the internet. Thousands of people were arrested and the movement was restricted. Another measure that was taken was the abrogation of Article 35A, which provided the residents of the state of Jammu and Kashmir certain privileges, thereby making them citizens of even lesser value. Pakistan has been an advocate of Kashmiris' right on international level, including the United Nations Organizations of Islamic Cooperation and other international forums. But anyways, the efforts made by the country failed to provide the desired result. Just celebrating Kashmir Solidarity Day through avenues like rallies, speeches, and human chains is insufficient. To manage the strategic importance of the issue and to maintain the issue on the political map of the world, the government of Pakistan needs to adopt political, diplomatic, legal, and humanitarian approaches for the solution of the issue. Although on this day we observe holiday, it is important to recognize that such celebrations are not enough. The current lack of persistence and diversive approach is crucial for drawing and initiating appropriate attention to the suffering of Kashmiris across the globe. For the cause of Kashmir Solidarity Day to be more effective, Pakistan needs to reconsider how this day is observed. The focus should be on the educational campaigns. The authorities of the school, colleges, and universities all over Pakistan should organize seminars and group discussion sessions in order to apprise the young students regarding the historical and legal background of the Kashmir dispute. This will help make sure that the cause stays popular in the future. The Pakistani embassies all over the globe should arrange programs such as seminars, conferences, and webinars involving live discussions about the unresolved dispute over Kashmir. It is also relevant to use Pakistani media, local NGOs, and think tanks in the host countries as Pakistan's mouthpiece. The government needs to consult with international legal jurists as to whether this issue could be best taken up to ICJ. Emphasis on such legal breaches by India may complement the diplomatic work at the Pakistani side. Pakistan should help the refugees from occupied Jammu and Kashmir and the victims as well, beginning as a special fund for the deserving Kashmiris who have lost their homes can put forth a good picture of Pakistan to the world. No doubt, Pakistan has always been empathetic towards Kashmir. It has been employing art, film, and literature in order to bring the voices of the people of Kashmir to the forefront. It has taken the Kashmir issue to every international forum, but these steps can be speeded up, and this will be helpful for Kashmiris because Pakistanis have always stood up with their Kashmiri brethren.